Hi my loves, I hope you're doing well. So today I'm gonna show you how to create this gorgeous muted olive green smoky eye. It pairs so well with so many outfit colors and looks great on a night out. So let's get started. Start off by blending a warm brown eyeshadow into your crease. Next, pick up a deep red or burgundy eyeshadow and blend that into your crease over the brown we just used. Next, I'm applying this gorgeous olive green shadow using my finger. If you want maximum color payoff from your eyeshadows, especially shimmery shadows, you gotta apply it with your finger, guys. Also, side note, I love this color so much, I went and made an abaya in this color. Next, blend a deep brown eyeshadow into the outer corners of your eyes. Run a clean blending brush over the shadow you just applied to give it a more seamless blend. Apply the same olive green shadow along the inner half of your lower lash line. Pop a shimmery gold eyeshadow into the inner corners of your eyes. Next, dip your brush into the deep brown and the deep red eyeshadow and apply this on the outer half of your lower lash line. Once again, going in with a blending brush and blending everything out. Using an angled brush, pick up some matte black eyeshadow and apply this along your lash line and also push this into your lash line. We want this to look worn in and sultry with no harsh lines. Next, curl your lashes and apply some mascara. I decided to apply a nice big pair of lashes because this is definitely a night out look. Next, I'm using this Makeup Addiction highlighter palette that I'm in love with to highlight my brow bone and cheekbones. It's so smooth, you've been seeing it in all of my tutorials. This shade is perfect for brown skin. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you rock this look on your next night out with your girls. Give it a thumbs up if you learned something new. I have new tutorials going up every Wednesday, so hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss it. And leave any requests you have down in the comments below. I love you guys and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!